Hi everyone, it's Nicole at Fields in Waukesha. Today we're going to go over the remote app using the Jaguar XF. We're also going to be using an iPhone. It's similar to Android devices, but you'll notice some small differences. We start by opening up our Jaguar remote app. Once it's open, we can see our fuel, our range, our odometer, and the outside temperature. We can also see that the car is not locked. If we click in that arrow, we press lock, press OK, type in the PIN you set up. You can see that the alarm is not set, the windows are closed, and the doors are closed, and all trunk and hood as well. Once we close that out, we have the option for beep and flash if you lose it in the parking lot. If you really lose it, you can see the location on the map here. You can also get directions to your vehicle. It'll give you driving options, walking, transit, or ride. When we go back to the remote, this next screen shows our climate. This is where we pick our target temperature. We press save, press the engine start button, press OK, and type in your PIN. In order for it to start, the car has to be locked and the doors have to be closed. All windows must be up as well. So once it is started, it shows us the engine symbol right here. It'll also give us the option to stop it, otherwise it'll run for 30 minutes. This next page is journeys. This shows your previous trips. If I click inside of one, it shows that where I left from, where I ended up, my duration, my average speed, distance, and fuel efficiency. You can also see the route. If you press send here, you have the option to email it to yourself. This next page shows your license plate, your VIN, roadside assistance if you have to call there for a flat tire, or if the engine breaks down, they will come help you and tow you to the closest dealership. This shows your stolen vehicle center. If the car is stolen, they'll track the car down for you and recover it. You have your vehicle health report. This green check mark shows that everything is good on the car, such as coolant, brake pads, gas levels, and service. If we close that out and go to this last page, these are all your settings. Just shows the car that you're currently using, the nickname you can change, your license plate if you were to ever change it, and you can also change the email on the account.